Kisumu West geno ni chenro mag piny owacho biro sudo kodgi machiegni poni HUDUMA Center oyangi alworano. Jalup jata tije maduong' e Migago mar HUDUMA Fund Gatobu Karera oyango ni chenro makamano nyalore bang' kane giyango lipot mar nono kaka inyalo taa chenrono. Jaod bura ma Kisumu West Rosa Buyu olero ni onyiso geno ni chwalo HUDUMA Center e gwengego eko biro kelo yota e chwalo kony ne oganda.
To support the call, basically to devolve services closer to the people, and after we have done with our work and our report, then a decision will be taken, and then we'll see how the operationalization can happen. Now that one depends because we have to write the report first. What's there, what is not there. So that one will come. It's a technical aspect because if there is work to be done, that has to be completed first. Then we'll go to the next step.
From the face value, are you satisfied this space is conducive to set up HUDUMA?
You know, this is a part of this country, and of course, it doesn't matter. In terms of service delivery, the government will offer services wherever Kenyans are. So this is a facility that is there, and it is adequate because even now it is serving Kenyans. So we can always find a way how we can work with what we have to be able to offer services.
What plans do you have for expansion of HUDUMA services across the country?
Well, there is a strategy to, like I said, to have services come close to where people are. And there are several strategies we are using where we don't have a physical facility. For instance, we use a strategy called HUDUMA Mashinani, where HUDUMA centers, like the center manager here, will organize once in a while his staff to go where services are most needed, in the villages, in the townships, and offer services on a temporary basis. They'll set up camp there, and they'll have power, they'll have the machines, and they'll be able to serve people on the ground. Even if there is no physical facility, we will set up tents. So that's one of the strategies.
The President has directed that within 6 months, government services be digitalized.
Yes.
As HUDUMA Center, have you put strategies in place to ensure that that is effected within that time frame?
What I can say about that is that HUDUMA Kenya Services and HUDUMA Kenya program is already a digital platform. So I think going forward we can see, of course, how we can better improve, but we are already into the digital space in terms of for serving Kenyans. Thank you.
Wan wamoro odiochieng' ma kawuono ka waneno ka HUDUMA Secretariat owuok Nairobi to HUDUMA wa mabe nitie Kisumu town bobiro ni mondo gine ni to office ma wantiere go Jola makoro en headquarter mar sub county ma Kisumu West ni bentie yo minyalo kete kata koko duong' no romo HUDUMA Center mantie Nairobi kata mantie ila mantie Kisumu cha bentie yo minyalo tie gi nafas ma wan go ni mondo wakele tije moko manyalo konyo jopiny ka mondo jopiny koro kik wuoth sama koro wang'eyo ni piny tekni jopiny kik many pesa ni kore ka gidwa dhi Kisumu ni mondo giyud konyruok chalo magwuok HUDUMA ka kendo mondo jopiny kik keth seche gi nikech kiwuok koni mi mano tiende no rumo wang'eyo ni no